You're tired of the traditional way of frying eggs. In this video, I will guide you through 3 methods to make your eggs more delicious. The steps are incredibly simple. Let's explore them together. Tip 1. First, I crack the eggs one by one into 4 heat-resistant glass jars. Then I added a little salt to each jar. Then stir gently until the yolks and whites are completely combined. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Next, I placed the pan on the stove and added a small piece of butter. Once the butter had melted and become fragrant, I turned off the stove and divided it evenly into jars. I continued stirring gently to combine the butter with the eggs. This layer of butter will give the finished product a rich, creamy flavor and a smoother texture. After stirring everything well, tightly close the lids of the egg jars. Place these jars in a steamer. Place the steamer pot on the stove and steam for about 10 minutes. During this time, the hot steam will slowly cook the egg mixture. Thanks to the gentle steaming method, the eggs don't dry out, but gradually puff up, creating a very appealing soft and fluffy texture. When enough time had passed, I carefully removed the jars and let them cool for a few minutes. While you wait, I'll show you another simple tip. First, I cracked 5 eggs into a large bowl. Then I added about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh milk and stir well until the egg yolk and egg white are completely combined. Next, I placed a non-stick pan on the stove and added a large piece of butter. Once the butter had melted and started to smell fragrant, I poured the entire egg mixture into the pan. Instead of letting the egg cook into one large piece, I use a flat spoon to gently stir and continuously pull the egg from the outside inward. This slow and even motion helps the egg form small, soft layers, retaining moisture and preventing it from drying out. I always keep the heat low, stirring and observing until the egg begins to solidify but is still slightly glossy and soft. Finally, I gently transferred the scrambled eggs onto a plate. The finished product is fluffy, smooth, and buttery omelette with a very appealing moist texture. Simply serve it with toast or some greens for a simple yet satisfying and delicious breakfast. At this point, the eggs in the jar had cooled, so I took them out. Then, I carefully arranged them on a plate. The finished product has a fluffy, smooth texture and a light buttery aroma. With just a few familiar ingredients and a glass jar, you can create a simple yet delightful steamed egg dish for breakfast or a snack. It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Tip 3. First, I prepare a bitter gourd, cutting it in half lengthwise. Then, using a spoon, gently scrape out all the seeds and pulp inside to create a natural mold. Then place 2 pieces of bitter melon on a plate. Now for the filling, I cracked 2 eggs into a bowl. Use a spoon to separate the egg whites and yolks. It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. I added a teaspoon of salt to the bowl of egg whites and stirred well. Separating the layers will give the finished dish 2 beautiful layers of color. Next, I slowly poured the egg white into the prepared bitter gourd. I placed the bitter melon on a steamer rack, covered it tightly, and steamed it for about 5 to 7 minutes, until the egg white layer had just solidified. Once the first layer had settled, I gently opened the lid and poured the remaining egg yolks on top. Thanks to the solidified egg white, the 2 parts will be clearly separated and will not mix together. Next, I covered the pot and steamed it for another 4 to 5 minutes until the yolks were cooked through. During steaming, the hot steam will gradually solidify the egg, while also softening the bitter melon and helping it retain its beautiful shape. When the dish was finished, I carefully removed the bitter melon from the pot and let it cool slightly. Once the dish has cooled, remove it and use a knife to cut it into small slices. You can clearly see the 2 layers of yellow and white eggs stacked on top of each other, surrounded by a very eye-catching green layer of bitter melon. The dish is not only visually appealing, but also combines the rich, creamy texture of the eggs with the light, refreshing taste of bitter melon, making it a great way to add variety to family meals. If you found today's video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to continue sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.